Before we begin with the ride along, if you are interested in discovering how I was able to generate over $10,000 per month completely online and how you could possibly generate $10,000 per month completely online without having to work long hours, deal with low paying offers, not tip customers, or do any gig work, make sure you click the very first link in the description below this video. Now let's begin with the ride along. Okay guys, first pickup of the day. It is from Taya's restaurant. It is a Thai food from Grubhub. I took the offer was 5-something miles for close to $11, but it was just going up and down, so it's pretty good. And I just got the message that said that it's ready. Okay guys, we got it. Very big order, but the guy is like very cheap and the tip is not that big. For this order, oh my god, people are broke right now, guys. Okay guys, next pickup it is from Five Guys. When I took the offer was, I don't know, let me check, wait. No, it was less than 7 miles for close to $14. So it was less than 6 miles. So dollar to mile ratio is pretty good. Dollar to hour ratio is okay. So the only problem is Five Guys, so I had to wait, probably. They never had the price ready. Okay guys, so we got the order. I had to wait a little bit because of course they don't have anything ready, and there were other dashers over there also waiting for orders. Anyway, so let me put this in the car and head on the way. Next pickup guys is from this Mexican place over here, El Guerrero. When I took the offer was 2 miles for $9. It might have some hidden tips. So hopefully I have it ready. We will see. It is 4 items. Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Valeria. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so we got the order. Now let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're here. 40846.
Instructions. Leave at my door. Make sure street is specified for Fort West.
Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Okay guys, next pickup it is from Dickens Barbecue. This is a good one from Grubhub, 5 miles for $28. It is a large order, so hopefully they have it ready. We will see. Okay guys, we got it. Only 2 bags. That's very good. So let me put this in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're doing the next drop off, the $28 drop off. Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, so next pickup it is from the Cheesecake Factory. I took the offer was I believe 6 miles for close to $14. It is a big order, okay? It is 8 items, so hopefully it has some hidden tips. We will see. Okay guys, so we got it. It is a big order, so hopefully it has some hidden tips. Okay guys, so we're doing a little bit of multi-apping, and I'm pairing the DoorDash offer from Cheesecake Factory from Grubhub. This one is for 7 miles when I took the offer for, how much it was? For close to over $14. So, and they're heading in the same direction, so that's great. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. Okay guys, so we're here.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
Okay guys, next pickup is from Applebee's. Where I took the offer was 6.2 miles for $15 from DoorDash. Only 2 items, so I don't think I'm gonna get any hidden tips. Hopefully I have it ready. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put this bad boy in the car and head on the way. It's a very small order. Okay guys, next pickup is from Arby's. When I took the offer was $11.25 for around 4 miles, which was great because it's coming up and down, taking me back to the house, my house. So hopefully I have it ready. We will see. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put this in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so I believe this is the place. Hey, how are you?
Customer requested you leave the order at
I
their
got
door.
a
They
delete.
added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
I got a DoorDash.
DoorDash?
Yes, let me. Is your address 71700?
That's it.
71700?
71700.
Okay, so I got a DoorDash for the room 132. Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, next pickup is the Firehouse Subs. When I took the offer was 10 miles for 15 bucks. It is not the best mile to dollar ratio, but it's putting me back into my zone. So that's why I took it. Hopefully have it ready, we will see. Okay guys, over here, guys, blue door. Okay guys, next pickup is from DoorDash, double stack from this ice cream place. Took the offer was 14 miles for $23. It's not such a great mile to dollar ratio, but it's slow right now and the strips are empty. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put these bad boys in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, it's kind of slow, so I'm doing a little bit of dirty multi-apping and I'm pairing DoorDash with Grubhub. So you see guys, people don't even do the stop sign. So I'm doing the double order from the ice cream place, and then I got this one heading in the same direction from Grubhub for $7. Not the best, but whatever. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put this bad boy in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, over here, 4193. That's done. Let's get on the way. You guys don't hate this? Like, customer want you to leave that food at the door, at their door, and then they live in a gated community and they don't give you a gate code or anything. Okay guys, so we're here dropping off the first order.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Okay guys, that's done. Now let's head on the way. Okay guys, so we're here dropping off the order.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
If you watch the entire ride along and you are interested in discovering how I was able to generate over $10,000 per month and how you could generate over $10,000 per month completely online without having to work long hours, deal with low paying offers, not tip customers, or do any gig work whatsoever, make sure you click the very first link in the description below this video. This is Carlos and I will see you on the next video.